Here is
Yeah.
it's a Rock'em Sock'em Robots.
TV show.
Welcome to Awesome TV or Cam's Awesome TV Show. Awesome Cam TV.
Yes, and we got the toy for you.
We got something to open today. Okay, sit down.
We got something open today.
But first, please subscribe
and
like the video.
like the videos.
All right. So what we have here is
Yeah.
it's a Rock'em Sock'em Robots.
Pop this in.
So it's a really old toy back. I think this was 70s or 80s. We got it for $5, so it's pretty cheap.
Oh yeah.
It's made from Mattel, and it's two robots whacking each other, or not whacking, but punching each other. Pile driving jabs. Let's see, what does it say? Heavyweight Championship of the Universe. The Rugged Red Rocker, the red one, and the Bruising Blue Bomber. It's the blue one. So you want to be the Red Rocker?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be the Blue Bomber.
Versus Kim versus
Alright,
Daddy.
it's the classic game of battling robots. You power the punches, moving to, okay?
Yes.
The original fighting robots, scoring knockouts since 1964.
Yes.
It's not the 80s or 70s or the 60s. Don't do that. Steel crunching hooks. Okay. That's cool.
We can build it.
Alright, we're gonna put it together. Daddy's gonna put it together, okay?
Oh, there's the instructions. That's it. That's cool. Alright, let's see. So we have game assembly. First, this one. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's see. This is, I guess these are your buttons. Does it work? Wait, aren't you supposed to press it? Oh, okay. Why did I press it? So. Is that upside down? Oh, okay. So we have to put the net. Let's see. So, it's supposed to be like that. Insert roll platforms to the holes in large platforms. Snap the robot holders into the controllers. Yeah, hold on. Daddy's supposed to snap.
Do it.
Show me.
There you go.
Give me.
Huh.
What?
Alright, so we are ready. We're gonna do 2 rounds.
Ding ding.
You gotta back up a bit, man. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Don't punch me. Punching you.
Use it for That's 1 point. Daddy won.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Blue Bomber 1, Red What was it? Red Bruiser? Is it the Red Bruiser? What? Aww. You beat Daddy. Yeah, don't cheat. Supposed to knock his head off. Okay, ready?
Let's
Go.
go.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? No. You gotta use it. Oh, I beat. Ready? Go.
Yes. What to be the blue bomber?
You want to be the blue bomber?
Yes.
Alright, I'll be the red rocker. Hoop. Manny Pacquiao. Uh-oh, Manny. Manny gonna win. Manny's gonna win. Come on. Okay. What? What do you think about the game, though? What do you think? What do you think? Hey. You like it? Hello?
Yes.
Do you like the toy?
I need more toys.
You need more toys.
Yes.
We gotta review this one first, man. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think of the toy? Show him. See? Rock'em Sock'em. What do you think? Do you think it'll be a fun game for boys and girls?
Yes.
Hmm?
Round two, go, we.
Taking it away, Manny Pacquiao. Look, Manny. See, you can move it. You can move it left and right. See? So you can move and dodge the punches. Yeah. Combo.
I got you.
Combo.
Want to be two guys.
You want to be two guys?
Oh.
Well, what do you think of the game, dude? Do you like the toy? What do you think about the toy first?
It's good toys.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, well, we gotta tell them goodbye now.
Goodbye.
And
That's the squad.
thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
It's a quick video of, what was this again? Rock'em Sock'em Robots review.
Want to take him
Yeah?
out.
Okay, say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Happy New Year's again.
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.